Hey there, this is Kevin with the Trainual AI product team, and I want to show you a new AI feature in your account called the Team Pulse widget. This feature has Trainual AI monitoring your company across the training and the operation suites, surfacing what matters and pointing you toward what to do about it. So specifically, it's noticing what's happening, it's surfacing these AI insights and pointing you toward what you should do about those things. So this is the first thing you'll see now when you open up Trainual and go to the Home Dashboard tab. And before we get into these insights themselves, I want to actually explain what's happening here. So as a manager today, if you want to understand what's going on with your team, you're probably bouncing between a lot of different surfaces. You might be checking the people report in Trainual or reviewing training completions, digging through latest activity. And on top of that, you're also piecing together a lot of things that happen outside of Trainual, like updates from your team, your goals, your meeting notes, all manually. And it's a lot of work. By the time that you've kind of connected those dots, you're probably already a little bit behind. So what Trainual AI is doing here is that synthesis for you automatically and bucketing what it finds into 4 categories. Changes, like something just shifted in your business, like a goal that went off track. Stalls, those are something that should be moving in your business but isn't, or like a commitment that keeps getting deferred week over week in an update or a meeting or a task. Preps, these are things that need your attention before it's too late, like telling you about a goal that's off track right before you have a meeting with someone, or an update that was mentioning a blocker right before you meet with someone. And then finally, patterns. This is like the same theme keeps coming up in your business across multiple meetings, updates, or in training. So let's go ahead and dig into each of these, and I'll show you a few ways you can use the Trainual AI assistant to follow up on them and then take action. Okay, so this first insight is a prep about my weekly leadership sync, and it's telling me to prepare for parking lot construction at Monday's leadership sync. I can open up any of these and you'll see it has some supporting evidence about maybe why this insight was raised, what Trainual AI found. But I'm just going to go ahead and open the AI assistant here and directly ask it, hey, what's on the agenda for our weekly leadership sync? And Trainual AI here will go across my account. It will find all the data, connect all the dots, and find what is going on with this specific insight. Specifically, it's going to look up this meeting and tell me what to expect so I can prepare for it. And again, it tells me, hey, for the weekly leadership sync, here's the agenda, here's when it's scheduled, and then here are the things that are, open items and topics that we need to talk about for that meeting that's coming up. So it helped me prepare, in this case, for this meeting. And when I'm done with this, when I can obviously, of course, click here to view that meeting and jump into it. But when I'm done with the insight, I can go ahead and just dismiss it as well. So I'll go in here and I'll click dismiss, and now that's cleared off my list. Just one less thing to do. I'm going to jump down here just to show one more insight. This is a pattern insight about summer family communication is still uneven. So this seems to be a pattern that's coming up in some updates in Trainual about how communication around how summer activities and schedules at the daycare are a little bit uneven and unclear. So to drill into this, I'm going to ask the Trainual AI assistant to follow up about this. So I'll say, hey, tell me about what's going on regarding summer in people's updates. And again, Trainual AI is going to go connect all the dots. It'll find all the updates where this theme is coming up and where this pattern has been surfaced, and then kind of read that out to me in a summary and tell me what to do about it. And here we'll see that the AI assistant has read out to me a summary that these updates are kind of theming around summer family communication with the main theme of keeping families in the loop with a consistent cadence and the right channel. So this gave me a really good readout here that told me kind of what's going on, and I can continue the conversation with the assistant here to really drive action or kind of figure out what to do about this. But as you can see, this Team Pulse widget kind of is just really connecting those dots for me across all the different data points across my training and my operations, my meetings, goals, updates, and scorecards, and kind of giving me this readout right here on the homepage that's consistently refreshed with new insights and new things for me to tackle. So yeah, that's an overview of the Team Pulse widget, and we're really excited to deliver more AI features like this soon. Thank you.